Okay, so I got most of the front end assembled. We're waiting on some parts. I just got that in. Was the bracket behind this headlight. Got the bumper over there, it's already assembled. So just gotta finish some more stuff right down here. It should be good. I'm gonna hook up the bumper, complete it from the top and the sides. And then I'll put it on the jack and finish it up. Okay, so I'm having trouble having these clips clip onto the fender. Something hitting around this area right here. I don't know if it's from the bottom or right here. But I need to lift it. This side clipped on, but I took it off just to make a little more leeway. So I'm just gonna put it on the jack right now and look from under it. What's up guys, got all done. Just gonna do a quick walk around just to see how everything turned out. As you guys can remember, the front end was really messed up. Had the frame shifted over. Had the damage in the quarter panel right here on the passenger side. Things looking real nice. Got all cleaned, real nice. Runs and drives great. Great and straight. No issues. Calipers are done in reflective black with that bright orange paint. Wheels done just jet black gloss. So we had the rear bumper off a Trackhawk. Got a new tailgate. New taillights for this side, both on the tailgate and the quarter panel. Quarter panel just repaired. That flare was fine. The door was blended to make the paint match, and these fenders were damaged, also blended. A new hood, new front bumper complete with the grille and everything, and 2 new headlights. But all the parts underneath all this, much more. I'll show you under the hood real quick.